Hello everyone, it's SilivateMetal here. I'm going to go through this Valcambi Suisse Combi bar shortly. I just want to give out a couple of shout outs. I've got four names. The first one is Nautical Silver. If you haven't checked out this gent's page, take a look. He makes a lot of, let's say, articles, obviously with silver. He does some pouring. He's made a compass recently, which is fantastic. He also did like a pirate skull coin, which was awesome. He's made some silver bars as well. He also collects, silver. Definitely worth a look. The second one goes out to Silver Baggins. Just in regards to, he's extremely vocal in the community, which is great. He's supportive. I love his videos. He offers advice. He's also got, obviously collects and stacks himself, and he obviously recently posted a penny video. Definitely, I mean, I'm sure you guys know who he is, but I just wanted to give a shout out to him. Also in regards to his history, how he first started collecting, and collecting cans and converting that into cash, and then of course buying silver with that. That is just phenomenal, man. Yeah, so keep it up. Yankee Stacking's another one, also great. Obviously with his live streams, him and Silver Baggins recently. Man, I'm sorry I missed it. It was just a little bit too late for me, but I always enjoyed the live streams. The interaction with the community is fantastic. Yeah, so Yankee Stacking as well. Obviously he stacks. He obviously offers a lot of advice as well. Again, thank you all very much. And then the last one goes out to SalivateMetal, who have been enjoying his support as well. He's obviously offered some advice whenever stuff is up there. And then of course his live streams as well, they're good fun. I don't know if you guys have ever seen it, but definitely whenever you see a live stream, definitely clock in, say hello. The community out there is pretty awesome. So yeah, thank you very much. On with the show. So we're looking at this Combi bar. Now, funny enough, a bit of history in regards to Valcambi Suisse. It was started in Switzerland in about the early 1960s. I think 5 gents got involved into the company. However, it wasn't called Valcambi Suisse. It was Valcambi. That's how the company was founded. It changed names in 1967 to Valcambi, and then Credit Suisse started getting involved. Obviously, they must have raised an eyebrow at these guys starting up, and then slowly started to acquire interest in the company until they were fully owned by them by the 1980s. Since then, the company's changed hands, European gold refiners, and so on. But let's take a closer look at this bar. Okay, so as we open up, we've got the certified assayer. Okay, it was obviously got the breakdown, so it's 100 by 1 grams. The weight, obviously the finest, 999. Now it gives you instruction there exactly how to break them off, so that's what we're going to take a look at now. So I've already snipped this just to save a bit of hassle. Let's see if we can slide this bar out. Oh, there we go. I'm just going to bring it up closer there so that we can see the detail. Sorry about the lights. Flip it over so obviously you can see the detail on the back. Flip it over one more time there. Just going to tap in for a zoom. Wow, the detail on these bars is phenomenal. I mean, the thickness of it, there you go, you can see there. I'm going to try and break a little section off here on the bottom. I'm just going to refocus. Okay, so let's see. It's easy. Yeah, it just sort of bends into shape. So if you need to break a piece off, there you go. I'm going to just leave it in the one bar, but obviously you can see it there. It just snaps off. These are 1 gram bars each, or the little 1 gram bars. Essentially, this bar wasn't badly priced, really. I suppose if you think about it. I mean, the current gold price, silver price, I think it's about 40. It's 40 euro cents a gram. Obviously, this is a whole bar. So, however, obviously, when the silver price goes up and obviously hits the sort of prices that we all want, those little grams there are going to be worth quite a bit. But yeah, thanks for joining me on this. I finally used my stand as well. So got the huge stand out. I thought might as well make use of it. Thanks very much for watching. I've got some awesome content coming over the next couple of days. I've got a very large consignment of coins arriving tomorrow, according to the UPS details. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. There's probably near on 30 ounces of silver in that box. So I'm going to do an unopening. It's going to be fantastic. I've also got a new show coming, which I'm going to start on Saturday. It's going to be awesome. So just keep an eye on that. It's going to be a very interesting, and obviously just a new way of doing the format. So definitely keep a lookout for that. Again, thanks very much for your support. Please like the video. If there's any comments, please, I appreciate some comments. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.